Let Garmin show you how to adjust the settings for your Edge1050's built-in speaker. The Edge1050 is Garmin's first cycling computer with a built-in speaker. First, adjust the settings for tones. These are the alerts for smart notifications and reported road hazards. You can also adjust tones for the lap notifications and approaching car notifications if the Edge1050 is paired with your Varia rear-view radar. Swipe down on the screen to bring up the speaker settings. You can also access speaker settings by accessing the main menu and selecting System. Then select Sounds. Here you can adjust the volume of tones and voice prompts using the slider. Now select Tones. Here you can toggle tones on or off for various categories, such as messaging, system, and activities. Next, you can adjust settings for voice prompts. Voice prompts allow you to hear spoken navigation and workout prompts. Select Voice Prompts. Here you can select your preferred dialect, choose from different voices, and change the audio output. Voice prompts can play through the Edge1050 speaker or through compatible connected headphones. You can toggle voice prompts on or off for navigation, timer, laps, workouts, and more. The Edge1050's built-in speaker allows you to have a loud bike bell. The bike bell can alert other riders and pedestrians when needed. Tap anywhere on the screen to access the main menu. Select the bell icon in the bottom right to ring the bike bell. And that's it. You are now ready to ride with clear prompts and better awareness. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.